Is this thing real? A Carmel Valley townhome that's big like a house. Is this townhome the ultimate single-family alternative? Is it normal to see homes like this in the market, or is this property a unicorn? Stick around and let's explore the lifestyle and, of course, the price tag. And before we wrap up, I'll share my professional opinion of the value too. So I'm standing here in Carmel Valley at a community called Coral Cove at Carmel Del Mar. This is it. Right behind me, 3919 Caminito Del Mar Cove. It's a townhome with 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and it sits at 1747 square feet. It is an end unit, which makes it feel a bit more like a single family home because it only shares 1 wall. With this much space, this isn't your average townhome. Most townhomes with 3 bedrooms are about 300 to 400 square feet smaller, and with an attached 2-car garage, it's even more like a house. This home is a 1985 build, so it has some dated features, but it's clean, freshly painted, and has updated flooring. You could easily spend another $40,000 on kitchens, windows, and bathrooms, but it's not a requirement. This is on market right now at $1.299 million with an HOA fee of $530 a month. Before you roll your eyes at the HOA, remember that it covers exterior maintenance, landscaping, pool access, tennis court, and some fire insurance, so you're not on the hook for as much upkeep as you would be with a single-family home. That's a nice reduction in repair and maintenance costs with some added community perks. Now for comparison, the smallest single-family home recently sold in Carmel Valley is about 1,409 square feet, and it sold for $1.489 million. That's $189,000 more for a home that's 300 and some odd square feet smaller. I've learned these bigger townhomes are pretty rare here in Carmel Valley. Only 14 have sold in the last 12 months, so that's about 1 a month. But there happens to be another one on the market in Pacific Highlands Ranch, which is 2.5 miles to the east at 12692 Peppergrass Creek. And it's 1,807 square feet, and it's listed at 1.550. That's $150,000 more for not much difference. But bear in mind, it probably also has Melrose because it's newer. For families wanting single-family space with a lower maintenance, a townhome like this at Caminito Del Mar Cove is a rare find, and it bridges the gap between townhome living and a single-family house. What really sets this townhome apart is the unbeatable location. For starters, your local grocery store and coffee shop are just around the corner. No need to hop in your car for daily essentials. For commuters, freeway access is quick and easy, and you're only about 3 miles away from the stunning Torrey State Beach. Yes, you can be soaking up the sun in just a 3-mile drive. Perfect coastal living without sacrificing convenience. For families, this townhome is a standout. It's situated near top-rated schools. Think 9 out of 10 and 10 out of 10 ratings, making an ideal choice. And the cherry on top, the community amenities. You'll enjoy a sparkling pool, tennis courts, meticulously maintained grounds, typically things that you miss out with a single-family home. It's like having a vacation resort right at your doorstep without the sky-high price tag. So what's the verdict? A Carmel Valley townhome this big with all these amenities and in this prime location, is it worth the 1.3 price tag? Absolutely. This is a rare find that bridges the gap between condo living and a full-size home. Take a look at the links below to see the full listing with interior photos and a full market analysis. Share your thoughts in the comments. Is this place a right fit for you? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos from the Carmel Valley Insider.